Katrina Kaif, it's wonderful to have you on Beautiful People.
Thank you.
You're on the verge of another exciting film release.
I know. Yes. I seem to be on this verge very often.
Given that it's only your work.
I know, but no, this is a film which I'm glad has come at this particular phase in my career, or in my kind of lineup of movies, because I just had my last release was a more multiplex-centric, more serious film, which was life changing for me, but it was more serious in its nature and its content. So Ajab is back to the mad, wacky world of fun, entertaining cinema, which I think is really inherent and is crucial to our cinema-going audience.
You just mentioned your last film, which is New York, and I saw it before meeting you. And is that the most complex, the most challenging role that's come your way?
On paper, perhaps, but for me, when I read it on paper, I said, this is so simple. I said, I don't see myself much in the movie. It's not that many scenes I have. And for me, during the process of acting the movie, it was the most natural process for me so far. I don't come from irada or some kind of a formal training. So for me, I think the process is very it's very internal, and it's very kind of black and white. I see a scene and I kind of think, do I understand this? Do I relate to this? Would I react like this? If the answer is no, then I just try and relate it to someone who I may know. I have to find a connect to it, basically.
Do actors put in this much involvement and thought when they pick and choose and execute their roles, or is it happening to you now because you are getting characters and roles? Because
yes.
Till then you were just
that's true.
You're amazingly lovely.
Thank
so you're
you.
there in all these movies. But
now, there was no thought
now?
process behind the characters.
Is it different now?
Yes, definitely. I think you're very correct in saying that. Initially, it was just being part of fantastic commercial setups, good directors, big stars, movies that have a wide reach, that will take me into the homes across India, in Nagpur, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, then Bangalore, and your multiplexes. So first it was being a part of those films, which I have always said, and if you recall earlier interviews of mine, I've always said that I want to be known in all those households. And the way I saw that happening for me was doing films like that. So no, there wasn't a great thought process behind, okay, what is my character in Sing is King? Or what is my character going to be in Welcome? No, I don't think that's the movie for it or the place for it. My job there was to have fun, to add the damsel in distress quotient, and to dance well and look glamorous, which I think I did, and the audience they liked it. They accepted me as the kind of.
Yeah. So that's a bit of an understatement, don't you think? That people liked you in Sing is King and Welcome and Namaste London.
Whatever could have happened from the film,
they
by
were massive
God's grace,
Katrina.
by God's grace, and whatever could have happened best out of and with those films happened. They needed to be big commercial hits. People needed to like the songs. They needed to like the pairings. All that happened. So that was great. And now, as you said, which kind of started happening with New York, I was not seeing anything beyond that. That is great. That is wonderful, and I will still continue to do those kind of films. I love them and they're important. But I was not seeing beyond that. My horizon had become a little narrow. With New York, I remember seeing a film. I was not excited by the film at all. I read the script and I said, yeah, okay, whatever. Okay, Adi, do you really want me to do it? Yeah, I think you should. Yeah, but okay, fine, whatever. And as literally the mood in which I went into the film, and the whole process of the film was such an eye-opener to me of how I can be, me as in the person. I have a mind, whether people like to think so or not. I have a mind. I have a heart. You have a soul. You are not just a dancing wind-up doll. There's no knob behind my back that you wind me up and I start doing ji karda, So I have a personality also, and that was a film where I kind of thought the film allowed me to look a little bit deeper within.